Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna draw Doraemon. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie, or crayons. I'm gonna start with drawing his head shape first. So I'm gonna pick a point here and draw a almost a full circle actually, upwards like that, and all the way to the right. Okay, and then on both sides of the ending point I'm gonna connect those two with a curved line. And on both sides of that curved line, I'm gonna draw a short curved line downwards. And we're just gonna do a similar shape from both sides. Up to where the bell is. Now at the bell point, I'm gonna draw a semicircle for the top part of the bell, and then below I'm gonna do a curved line across and a short curved line on the side and a curved line below that. And then the bottom part of the bell, I'm gonna draw a curved line, a semicircle, like that. And on the center, I'm gonna draw a circle and a line below that. I'm gonna go back to his head here and draw a circle for his nose. I'm gonna redo that. A circle for his nose. And then another circle on the top left corner. And then for his eyes, I'm gonna do the left eye first. So we're gonna draw an oval shape from this point here and upwards, then go back down to the nose, and inside of that eyes, slightly to the center, I'm gonna draw an oval shape, and inside of that oval I'm gonna draw another circle and fill that eye in. Now we're gonna repeat the whole thing on the right side, the oval shape, then another oval shape inside, and a smaller one in the center. And then on the side of the face, I'm gonna draw the side of the mouth. So I'm gonna draw a semicircle to the side on the left here and to the side. Same goes to the right side. And then I'm gonna join the two ending point together with a curved line. Like that. And in from the nose to the center of the mouth, I'm gonna draw a straight line downwards, and from the side of the eye I'm gonna draw a curved line to the side of the mouth, like that. And below the side of the mouth, I'm just gonna continue that curved line up to the collar, Repeat that for the right side. Now at the side of his cheek, I'm gonna draw 3 lines like that, another one there, and another one below that for the whiskers, and repeat that for the left side. Now for the lower mouth, I'm gonna draw from this side and draw a curved line to the center, and then turn to the right, and then go back up to the side of the mouth. Now slightly at this point here, I'm going to draw a curved line to the center like that, and same goes to this side. Now for his arms on the left, I'm going to draw a short line here, and for the outer line of the arm, I'm going to draw a line there, and then for his hands, I'm going to draw a circle at the end of that line. Then I'm gonna draw the right hand, a line there and a line at the bottom, and join them together with a curved line, and then I'm gonna draw almost a circle for this side of the hand. Now for the side of his body, I'm gonna draw a line here, a curved line downwards, and the same goes to the right side, and from that point I'm going to draw a curved line slightly outwards and downwards, and the same goes to this side, and I'm going to draw a curved line inwards towards the body, and then same goes to the right side. And I'm just gonna connect those middle point together with a curved line, and then for the bottom part of the feet, I'm gonna draw a semicircle on the sides and on this side, and connect those 2 points together with a curved line. And then I'm gonna just copy that shape for the right feet. And we're done with the feet. Now for his tummy, I'm gonna draw almost a circle from this lower point of the collar and draw across like that up to the right side of the collar, and then I'm gonna draw a line in the middle of that round shape across here, and then below that we're gonna draw a semicircle. Okay, we're done with Doraemon.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.